I just used the saw yesterday, got the saw cleared off, got the wood out, and turned on the saw, and it's not wanting to come on. The error message shows just a solid red light with no green light at all. So looking at the handy dandy book, looks like the brake needs to be replaced. I just used the saw yesterday, didn't hit it with anything. It was still running when I turned it off, but unfortunately now it's gonna require a new brake. And Rockler and Woodcraft are a bit away, and I think that's the only places I can get a brake around here, so I'm gonna need to run and get one tomorrow. I'm not sure how much they are. Last time I tripped one was probably 2018, 2019. I think they were 69, 70 bucks. Probably a couple hundred by now with inflation the way it is. But anyway, it's definitely worth it. The saw is safe. I always feel a lot safer using it.